Just got the sparrows right now. Earlier we had a goldfinch and we had a female cardinal. But right now we're just feeding our sparrows. I wish that rabbit would come back out. He's hiding in that bush. And he don't want to come back out. If he comes back out, I can get a film of him. He's so cute. He's the smallest little rabbit I've ever seen. He must be a baby. We have a big, huge rabbit in the backyard. Squirrely's still down here. Yep, Squirrely's still there. What's he doing? This is going to be a boring film. Okay. He's cute. The camera's starting to blur him. I wish the rabbit would come back out. I don't know if you can see the black-eyed Susans. They're so pretty this year. They're going to get bigger and prettier. And they're right next to the bird bath. The birds like to go in the flowers and the bird bath. There's some birdies up there. Still waiting for that rabbit to come back out. I never seen him come out the other end, so he must still be in that bush. Okay. Usually I have so many pretty birds, different colorful ones. No, not getting that much. Well, he's on top. He's not going to get any food. You can't sit on top. You have to go down there and eat at the feeder. He's sitting on top of the feeder. And Squirrely, he's just still getting his fill.